Hello everyone, today I'm going to do an unboxing of two Hermes SLG. I haven't shopped from them for a long time and my last purchase from them was from 2020. So now that I'm still waiting for Chanel 21K to be out, I actually went back to the store a few more times. So let's get down to it. So this is not, for the SLG they're cheaper or more affordable pieces are the Bastia coin purse, but this is not the Bastia coin purse as I couldn't really get very much functional use out of those. So this is actually the card holder from the Twill Citizen collection with the silk twilly inside. This is in blue and the twilly design is red on one side and it's leather line here, and this is a blue twilly. So I really blue silk, maybe not twilly, blue silk and red silk prints. So I really like this because I thought that it adds a pop of color in an otherwise rather simple looking card holder. And as always, the design and the color is very pretty, and it pretty much allows you to fit about 1 to minimally 4 cards outside and maybe a bit of coins and cash here. So moving on to my second SLG piece. This is got this from Hermes about it's not at the same time but close enough, and this is the same piece but Étoupe as Swift leather. So the leather is so much more smoother to the touch as well, but of course with this it's much more prone to scratches. So if you can take a look at this is saying Hermes made in France. It's in the Étoupe color, which I feel that it's a very nice neutral color with the contrast stitchings. This comes in blue silk here. I think the prints are the same for this piece. So this is in the Swift cuff leather. I know for Swift some people this is more prone to scratches, but after a few users so far, I don't see any scratch in this at all. So if I were to compare between these two pieces, you can tell that the grains in the blue piece are much more pronounced and is pressed on. This is the Epsom leather, whereas for the Swift leather you can see that's completely smooth. So if I were to mix both of them together, I think this is going to get scratched more. In terms of softness, this will be softer, and the prints for this Étoupe piece is the same print, whereas for the blue piece is a having a blue silk here and a red silk here. So far, depending on the occasion, if I'm pretty sure I'm not in a rush and I can take better care of product, I'll use this because it's smoother and more luxurious to the touch. Whereas I'm in a rush or I do not want to baby my things in public, I'll actually use this. But both pieces are super functional and the price are pretty affordable as well. Yep, that's my start of my journey to Hermes. I probably will pick up more items along the way and do more unboxing until the Chanel 21K collection is out, because that's one collection that I'm really looking forward to as well. Do let me know if you have any other SLGs to recommend, or what are your favorite colors for Hermes or your favorite leathers. But for so far, for touch and feel, I really prefer Swift. And if a bag's in Swift, I can just imagine how luxurious it's going to feel and how good it's going to feel. But on day-to-day basis, if you do not want to attract attention or babying, not care about bumps, etc., this would be a better choice. And actually, Epsom leather is cheaper than Swift leather as well. Okay, that's about it for now. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.